Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download the Epic Games Launcher on your Mac. This is the app that you'll need to install and manage games from Epic Games. So first, open any web browser on your MacBook. Then type in the search bar, Epic Games Launcher Download. Make sure to click the official website. Then click the Install on macOS button. The Epic Games Launcher installer should begin downloading automatically. If your web browser will ask for permission to allow downloads from the website, just click on Allow. Once the download is complete, click on the download icon on your browser. Then double-click the Epic Games Launcher installer DMG file. This window will pop up. Just drag the Epic Games Launcher app to the Applications folder. Then go to Finder and go to Applications. Look for Epic Games Launcher. If this window pops up, just press on Open. And if it will ask for access to your Downloads folder, just press on Allow. The app will start updating. When the app opens, sign in with your Epic Games account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly from the sign-in screen. Once you're done signing in, you can go back to the Epic Games Launcher. Now you can browse through the app and search for the games that you want. After you're done installing, you can also add the app to your dock for easy access. And lastly, don't forget to drag the installer file to trash since you won't be needing it anymore. And that's how to download Epic Games Launcher on your Mac. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more easy Mac tutorials.